So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the privilege to introduce to you this stunning 2000 Ford Mustang GT convertible. And this car comes to us just an excellent example of the SN95 generation Mustang. Just a beautifully well-maintained one-owner example of these Mustangs with just under 28,000 original miles. And this gentleman bought this car new, and it has been his baby and his show car ever since new. And you can see it benefits from a number of cosmetic upgrades, including the added hood pins, the Ford Racing FR500 wheels, which finding the Ford Racing versions of these wheels is kind of difficult. You don't see them very often. And just finished in that stunning laser red exterior, complemented by the Parchment tan leather interior. And the interior also benefits from a number of cosmetic upgrades, including the billet window switches, door lock switches, e-brake handle, the rear seat delete with the custom roll bars, and tonneau cover. I mean, this is just a great looking example of this generation Mustang, but not only is it a great looking example, it's a great driving example. So I'll go ahead, get the keys, and take it for a test drive.
What a striking color.
Oh, absolutely. So yeah, now we're gonna go for a test drive in that beautiful 2000 Mustang GT convertible. And that 4.6 liter V8, I mean, it fires up just like you'd expect from a low mileage modern sports car that's been well maintained like this one. And odometer is showing right at 27,683.
Turn that air conditioning out just a little bit. It's warm.
It is a warm day, but the AC is appreciated. Got the top up,
Very much
so
so.
that you guys can hear us. Much rather have the top down. This is a great looking car with the top down.
And a great note out of that exhaust.
Oh, absolutely. And it's not like overbearing, so like you can have a very comfortable conversation with your passenger. But yeah, it has a great sound.
Everything on this car has been tastefully done.
Absolutely.
Just down to the roll bar and the delete rear back seat, which we do have the factory rear seat that's in excellent condition.
We do. Yeah, so you just have to take the delete panels out and put and the roll bars and you put the seat back in.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's a great driving car. I mean, handles just like you'd expect from a Mustang GT, and come around this turn about 50 miles an hour. Plus we're gonna have to brake for brakes to do their job.
That's good. And everything works in the car. All Absolutely. Your gauges, the AC, the stereo. We gotta check the cruise control. Yep, cruise control works. All your windows work just like they should. The top.
Yeah, everything. I mean, this thing is a no excuses classic sports car. I mean, and these SN95s, I mean, they're just kind of nice update to the Fox body chassis. And they're a great looking car, and they're just a ton of car for the money.
Yeah.
That great 4.6 liter V8, I mean, it has plenty of power to set you back in the seat. And this one's been nicely upgraded, benefits from a couple bolt-on upgrades like the cold air intake, PBK throttle body, MSD ignition coils. I mean, so it's got a little added power, and it's been tuned. It comes with the SCT tuner. But yeah, so you have a little extra horsepower over stock. Just a great driving car, straight as an arrow.
In an excellent condition throughout. It was a one-owner car. He bought it as a show car, and they kept it that way. And we have a lot of the original documentation for the car. The window sticker, which you mounted kind of like on a sandwich board or poster.
Yeah.
We got the original lease agreement from Ford when he first leased the car, and then bought it outright 3 years later. So
coming out of the roundabout, we'll go ahead on with that 4.6 liter V8. 60?
what a great note.
Yeah, it's got a great sound. nice and aggressive. But yeah, back to cruising. I mean, at 60 miles an hour, shifting into overdrive. I think it's turning like 1,800 RPMs. So
And
it's
you know,
nice
the
and
nice thing
quiet.
about these late model sports cars, I mean, you can drive this car anywhere,
Absolutely.
be comfortable, but you still have the performance.
To get into it when you really want to.
Yeah.
But the seats in this car, I mean, they're very comfortable. I mean, the padding, I mean, it feels almost like brand new. At least on my side, I'm sure it's
Mine
the
is the
same.
same over here.
Yeah, I mean, it's a super comfortable car. I mean, you can take this cross country and be very comfortable. I mean, take it to your local cruising and your local car show. It's going to stand tall. It's going to present very well. I mean, guys are going to like seeing it. It's just a stunning example of these Mustang GTs.
It is. And it's kind of cool that it's, you know, got the rear seat delete,
Yeah.
the roadster covers.
That laser red paint complemented by the FR500 wheels. I mean, it's just a great look, just a timeless look on these Mustangs.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you're in the market for just the SN95 generation Mustang or just a very clean 4th gen Mustang, you're really going to want to take a very close look at this beautiful Mustang. I mean, when we get to the inspection video, there's like maybe a handful of defects on the entire car. It's been very luckily maintained throughout the years, so definitely you're going to want to stay tuned. So now that we're done with the test drive, we'll move on to the walk around inspection portion of the test drive video, and this really won't take long. This has been just a beautifully maintained example of these Mustangs, but we'll go ahead and get right into it. The driver's side of your windshield is nice and clean. No real defects to note. You do have the Mustang up in the tinting at the top. Your cowl is in excellent condition, nice and straight, not warped or cracked. Your windshield surround is in excellent condition. The paint just shines beautifully. Actually, the paint throughout the car shines beautifully. You have that laser red factory paint complemented by the tan pinstripes and lower rocker Mustang logos. The front fender is nice and straight. I'm not seeing any real defects even down low. I mean, you might have stone chips inside the wheel well, but not on the outside. Your front Ford Racing FR500 wheel is in excellent condition, shines very well.
All 4 of them are.
They are. They're a great looking wheel. Pilot Super Sports. They are wrapped in Michelin tires. You actually see they're stamped Ford Racing down in the lip. But coming across, the driver's side of the hood is nice and straight and clean. Not noticing any major defects. Top of the fender is nice and straight. You do have 2 little stone chips right here above the headlight, but your headlight's nice and clear. Actually, across the front bumper, Dad's showing you a nice close-up of the hood pins. And you don't even typically have a bunch of heavy scratches, and you don't even have those with the hood pins. But coming across the front fascia, you do have maybe a couple nitpicky, that was a bug. So you might have some extremely nitpicky, like size of a pin stone chips, but really nothing that you're going to notice walking up on the car. Your Mustang grill emblem and grill are both in excellent condition. Passenger side headlights, just as clean as the driver's side. Passenger side of the hood is nice and straight and clean. Not noticing really any condition items to know. You might have a really light scratch that could get buffed out from the hood pin wire. Really nitpicky. You're not going to be able to see that unless you get up on it. Side of your bumper's nice and clean. Passenger side front fender is very straight. I'm not seeing any dings. This car's absent of dings pretty much everywhere. Passenger front wheel, just as nice as the driver's side front. Passenger side of your windshield is in excellent condition as well. You do have a little bit, it looks like maybe tint delam on the outside edge, but other than that, nothing to note. Mirrors in excellent condition, no defects or condition items to note. Come down low on the passenger side door. You do have a really faint...
It's not even a scratch.
Was it not? Okay.
Coming into the interior, you'll see a very well-maintained interior. That Parchment. The door panel on the passenger side's in very good condition. Got the billet covers. We do have a little cut back there, the back edge, but very clean door jamb. Even your scuff plate, passenger side is in very good condition. No scratches. Your passenger side leather seats in very good condition, showing very, very little age. Your carpet throughout is in very good condition. Same with your dash, nice and straight, no warping, no cracking. Same with the center console, in very good condition. And then the passenger side of your added roll bars in very good condition, leather wrapped nicely.
Come back outside the car. The rear quarters in very good condition. You have just the faintest little ding there, and then you have another little faint scratch here with a little ding around the wheel arch. Those are really the only two condition items to note on the quarter. Your gas cap is in very good condition. The right rear wheel is in beautiful condition, just like the rest. Come across your deck lid. Your deck lid's nice and straight. The tonneau cover, and there is a black one as well. You do have, the
minor
seams do
tear.
pull at the end on both sides, and you'll see it on the driver's side when we get there. But the rest of the tonneau cover is in excellent condition. Deck lid's nice and straight and clean. Your rear spoiler is in excellent condition. Both taillight assemblies are nice and clear. No age to them. The rear bumper's nice and straight and clean, with your painted Mustang logo to match the interior. Coming into the trunk, find a very clean trunk compartment. The bottom of your trunk lid is in excellent condition. And inside you have a custom GT trunk mat that really dresses up the trunk compartment, but your factory carpet is nice and clean and excellent condition. And then come into the driver's side quarter. The driver's side quarter is very straight. Not noticing any major dings or scratches anywhere. The left rear wheel, just as nice as the rest again.
Missed some cleaner.
Yeah, see that. Mustang valve stem covers. Well, coming back to the tonneau cover on the driver's side, like we said, it does pull again a little down here, so you do have a slight tear in that corner. It's not as bad as the passenger side. But your roll bar is in excellent condition again. On top of the driver door, you do have two little touch-ups. Nitpicky, but worth noting. And your driver's side door is nice and straight and clean, just like the passenger side.
Well above average for a 20-year-old car.
Absolutely.
Over 20-year-old car. Again, both your bottoms of your doors are very clean. Your driver's side door panel is in very good condition. Actually even better than the passenger because it doesn't have that little tear in it. But all your billet switches, covers. Another very clean door jamb. And very well maintained scuff plate. Again, your driver carpet and floor mat is in good condition. Your driver's seat shows a little bit of age. It's not cracks, but just age in the leather. There is no cracks, there's no tears, and it's nice and pliable. Factory steering wheel is in very good condition. All your buttons are very legible. Some more of that billet covers your gauge cluster. Very nice and clean interior. Just all the buttons, CD player, very nicely maintained. Your Mach stereo.
So coming under the hood of the Mustang, you'll find a very tidy and well-detailed engine compartment showcasing that awesome 4.6 liter single overhead cam V8 power plant that's just been nicely upgraded. You got the BBK cold air intake feeding the BBK aftermarket throttle body, the BBK valve covers, the polished alternator and alternator cover, and MSD coils. Just gives the car a little added show and a little bit more go. But now we'll go ahead and get in the Mustang, fire it up, show you lights working, and show you the top functioning. Right off, just like it should. No funny noises. Pins back in first, so the hood doesn't fly away with the lights on. Right.
Headlights. Fog lights. Lights. Driver side turn signal. Passenger side turn signal. All your forward lights work just as they should. What a great sound coming out of that new exhaust. Running lights, brake lights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and all your reverse lights, all your rear lights work just as they should. Now Tyler's going to show us the top go up so I can show you the top. This generation Mustang, you do have to pull the handbrake before the top will work. Top functions just like it should. Tyler's latch here. I'll show you. Very nice top. No tears in the seams. The back glass is in excellent condition. Got rear defrost. But, I mean, even the edge. Absent of any tears or damage. Very nice top. Now Tyler will show us going down. It's down just like it should.
So if you're in the market for an excellent example of the SN95 generation Mustang, or just a really clean Mustang GT that's turnkey ready to enjoy, and will show very well at your local cruising or car show, you'll want to take a very close look at this beautiful 2000 Ford Mustang GT convertible. Rock solid Motorsports.